We're here today with Dale Crawford, Director of Marketing and Value Development for Cerrowire's Electrical Distribution Division, who is going to discuss how Cerrowire was able to save their customer time and money during the construction of a brand new plant for the Kubota Tractor Company. Dale, please tell us how Cerrowire came to be selected as the wire provider for the construction of the new Kubota plant.
Well, our representative in the area, EPI, works very closely with Gexpro there in Georgia, and EPI and our sales staff were able to discuss Cerrowire's strengths as a supplier and also discuss the fact that we're in nearby Alabama. We were able to be a strong supplier to this particular project due to our proximity there, and discuss with them many of our product benefits that we have that work very well on a large construction project that has a very tight construction time frame.
How did Cerrowire's products help save time and money during the construction, and what wire features were the most critical?
Well, we're very proud of the products that we have and also the product benefits. First of all, our Slipwire product is a pre-lubricated wire that does not require any lubrication on the site, which means you don't have to pay somebody to put the lubrication on. It saves some manpower, and it also saves some time, so you don't have to get that lubrication ready to be put on the wire. We also have a true sequential footage marker on each of our reels, which counts from the top of the reel down to 0 on each reel, which allows you to manage your pulls on your job site, and you can then manage your crews and know exactly who you need to send to each pull.
Can you talk about the products that help decrease the risk of injury on the job?
Well, especially with our Slipwire product feature, that's very critical to helping decrease the risk of injury, because you don't have the lube on the pull that it can oftentimes get onto the ground, can cause a slip hazard. This lubrication comes in very heavy buckets, and 5-gallon buckets can weigh 40 pounds or more, and there's a risk of back injury carrying those around. There's also a risk of injury that is related to having black-only insulation. We produce our THHN in full-color insulation, so rather than having a black wire that it just has colored tape on the end of it to identify each phase, we have full color through the thickness. This eliminates the risk of mislabeled wire or making a mistake if the tape has fallen off. Use full color insulations. White is always going to be white, red is always going to be red, and you ensure that you get all of your wires terminated correctly. So you can identify what phase the wire is through the length of the run and ensure that you won't run into any problems in the future.
The Kubota plant project manager, James Motes of Cedartown Electric, has spoken very highly of Cerrowire's customer service during the project. Can you talk a bit about Cerrowire's dedication to customer satisfaction and give us any relevant examples?
Well, Cerrowire has worked over the past few years to become very operationally efficient and very flexible. No matter how tight the construction schedule that you might have and the number of add-on services requested, Cerrowire will work with you to make sure that the schedule is kept. Also, at Cerrowire, we measure our fill rates against shipping within 48 hours of receipt of an order and completeness by the number of lines filled, which is the toughest standard in the business. And with our conveniently located stocking reps, our 2 distribution centers, we can reach most of our customers in 1 shipping day and nearly all within 2. We've made these commitments to try to be as operationally friendly to our customers and be able to manage large projects like the Kubota plant that have very tight construction schedules as efficiently as possible.
Thanks, Dale, for telling us more about Cerrowire's involvement with the Kubota plant construction and the benefits of your product provided. For more information on Cerrowire's products and services, visit www.cerrowire.com.